Do you want to earn money through your voice and your voice only? Earn $1,000 just by reading books out loud? Do you want to earn $1,000 without much hassle? You're in the right video. Watch until the end because we will teach you how to earn $1,000 by reading books out loud in the comfort of your home. You only need a mic, a quiet environment, any gadgets, and an internet connection. It is okay if you are not interested in reading because you are not reading to pass the time anyway. You're reading to get paid. Easy money. Hi, welcome to Cashbaggy. On this channel, we talk about income opportunities, such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security in general. Do you want to earn money online? If you do, then this is the right channel for you. Without further ado, let's continue. Nowadays, there are no excuses for people not to have a job. The development of technology easily gives people many opportunities to explore and choose what is best suited for them. It is hard to find what's legit or not. That is why you need the right people to help you. In this case, the right video. Without our tutorial, you can take your time to learn the process and then start earning money. And we are talking about a huge amount of money here. Eager to learn more? Don't worry, we got you covered. For today's video, we will talk about how to earn money by reading books out loud. Let's get started. Step 1. ACX. The first thing to do if you want to make money online is to find a legitimate site that offers what you're looking for. In this case, reading books and ACX. ACX is an audiobook creation exchange. In simple terms, it is a website that sells audiobooks through Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. They have hundreds of thousands of books for sale on those retailers. Step 2. Choose a role. Next, you have to choose a role. You can choose between being the actor or the producer. In this video tutorial, you have to choose the actor. And even you're new to this field, you can simply learn the skills needed in their online university called ACX University. In this online training, they will teach you how to produce, publish, and market your works. Step 3. Find the appropriate book for your voice. Third on the list is to find the appropriate book suited for your voice by clicking the Find Title open for auditions. Once you are redirected to the page, you will see various books by authors in need of readers for their books. Due to a large number of books, you can sort them from their sales rank to the new edition. This will narrow down your choices and help you find the book currently in demand in the market. But it doesn't end there. Since there are still a lot of possible options, you can still filter them out by genre, gender, compensation, language, accent, vocal style, and many others. Once you have found the perfect book for you, you can now proceed to upload your audio samples and make your work easier to find for authors and get to pay you. Step 4. Check the requirements of the book. The next thing to do is to check the requirements of the book. This includes the number of words, genre, gender of the reader, character age, estimated length, and project budget per finished hour. You have to read the additional comments for more information. For the requirements of the book, you really have to worry about most of it except for one, the project budget. In this requirement, you will find how much you're going to get paid after finishing the project. Most of the time, it is explicitly stated. Sometimes, it is not. You will only see that it's stated as royalty share or royalty share plus. This means you are not going to get paid once you finish the project. You will receive a royalty once it is purchased. It is high passive income. The downside of this is if the book does not perform well on the market, you might not get paid at all. So for this type of project budget, check out their market standing and customer reviews on Amazon first. Step 5. Create a profile. Once you have found the perfect book to read, you will be required to create a profile by signing up on the ACX website. Step 6. Upload samples. The next step is to upload unlimited audio samples to your profile. You have to upload samples according to genre, accent, and style. This will help authors to find you easily. What do you think about this money-making technique so far? Are you interested in this kind of content? Leave a comment below. If you want similar videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We would really appreciate your presence here on the channel. Let's continue. Step 7. Payment. For every work you apply for, you must be specific with how much you want to get paid. In ACX, you have to specify how you want to get paid. You can choose between the two modes of payment from the project budget. Step 8. Addition. And since you are new to this, you will need to practice this a lot before actually uploading your samples. Check on your way of delivery, and don't forget about the emotions. As much as you have to please your audience, you must first please the author. To do that, you will be given an audition script to be downloaded, then you will record a few minutes of the script. Once you have done that, and an author picks you, they will send you an offer. Step 9. Accept the offer. Whether you like it or not, you have to accept the offer. Then you will be required to agree to the rights holder, the delivery dates of the first 15 minutes of the manuscript, the final audiobook, and the payment terms. Step 10. Start recording. You have to record and edit the first 15 minutes of the manuscript and then send it to the rights holder. Then they will send you feedback if your sample is approved. Once it is approved, you can now start to record the remainder of the project. Step 11. Work with professionals. This step is optional. However, if you record with professional studios to guide you upon recording the book, you will have more advantages. However, we can tweak this option. You can opt to make a studio in your home and have a friend come over to guide you. Step 12. Finish the recording. Upload the book chapters separately to meet the ACX audio submission requirements and production standard terms. The rights holder must approve the recording of the whole audiobook. They also have the right to request changes. After this, you can now receive your payment for the entire project. Step 13. Create more. Now you have grasped the whole process. You can always come back and create some more work. The more you make, the more money you can earn. That's it. So easy and simple, right? You won't even sweat. Now that you know the side hustle that can be your full-time job, do not let this opportunity pass. You have nothing to lose if you try. Just follow this guide and you will be alright. What do you think about this topic? Do you want to try these money-making techniques? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.